Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making Nando's style chicken piri piri. We're going to be using Dutch's homemade piri piri spice mix. We're also going to be making some rainbow slaw, some spice fries. We might even chuck some sweet corn in. Let's cook. So I've just got a spatchcock chicken here. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a bowl and about 2 tablespoons of Dutch's Piri Piri spice mix. I'll put a link above to show you how to make this, and also I'll put the ingredients down below. So we've got that in the bowl and we're just going to give it a good mix together. Just bring it all together and we're going to make like a paste. That's our paste ready. And all we're going to do now is to get it onto our chicken. I'm going to be honest with you now, I should have probably done 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 tablespoons of Dutch's Piri Piri mix. So I'm just going to give it a good massage all over. Going to cover this bird in it. Flip the bird and we're going to put the rest inside. Now you will notice that this has been spatchcocked, but I've done more than that. I've taken virtually all the bones out apart from the wing and the leg bones. I just have a thing about bones. Probably a lazy eater, but I just like to get into the meat. Flip it back. And now that's ready to go into our wood-fired oven. That's running at 180 degrees C, that's 356 F. And I reckon this chicken's going to take about 40 to 45 minutes. So it's time to get on and make our rainbow slaw. Well, we've got some shredded red cabbage, some shredded white cabbage and some grated carrots. To this I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, juice from about half a lemon, a handful of coriander leaves only, not the stalks, finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Just going to give these a good mix in, combine the flavours together. You can put a little bit of Dutch's Piri Piri mix in here if you wanted to make a bit of a spicy coleslaw. Next thing is some fries. These are just store-bought frozen fries like you get at the Nando's store, straight into the oven. Next thing to do is to get our sweet corn in. This is just some sweet corn that's been parboiled. I'm just going to give it a drizzle of olive oil and get it in the oven. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. All you've got to do is hit that subscribe button below. That's our chicken done. It's at 74 degrees C, that's 165 F. Our corn's got some nice colour on it. And our fries are crispy and golden. All I'm going to do is sprinkle some of that Piri Piri spice mix on to give them a kick. This is Dutch's Nando's style platter. You've got a rainbow slaw, you've got our crispy fries, most importantly you've got our chicken and some sweet corn. I'm going to add some of Dutch's Nando's style sauce to this. I'll also put a link above for this, and also the descriptions down below so you can make this. So there we have it. This is Dutch's Nando's style chicken meal. And all that's left to do is cut into this chicken and see how we did. Lovely moist chicken.
Yeah. Team at 17.
The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.